Hi YouTubers, welcome to Diecast Culture. Thank you for joining me on this amazingly sunny afternoon in the UK, and we shall take a look at a few Hot Wheels mainlines and one Hot Wheels car culture. First up, and in no particular order, is this Mazda Repu. I realise that a lot of you might be thinking, okay, a bunch of main lines, well, that's nothing special. But you know what? In the UK, it's really difficult to get hold of 1/64 scale diecast in the shops. So you usually have to end up buying online. In the shops, all there is available is pretty much Hot Wheels mainline. And let's face it, some of the main lines are pretty good. I like this because of the colourings. The decals are a little bit busy, which is not untypical of a lot of Hot Wheels, but it's a nice casting. In the bed you've got the diecast metal going across below the back window, which is often replaced for plastic. And here is this beauty. Don't those colours really stand out in natural daylight? Nice black interior. You've got the steely wheels. Who can resist a Dodge Challenger SRT Demon? I do like this casting. It's really solid, it's got a good weight to it, and this has come out in a variety of colours. Always look great. Black interior. And yeah, I think this does look pretty good. Nice, simple decals. Next up, 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. Another casting I like of Hot Wheels. If you put it next to a ultra premium brand of this Bentley, this is a little bit smaller, just only a fraction. Check this out. So I think what's nice with Hot Wheels mainline is that you can add some touching up with marker pens to add a little bit more detail, realism. So for example, the bonnet scoops can be darkened with a marker pen. You can add lights. (1972) Stingray convertible. They've done a good job on this. Shame about the silver interior. Never a fan of that. But we've now got some lensed headlights. And some nice decal detail on the rear. Lovely artwork. Just look at that paintwork come to life in this light. So nice. Wow. Yeah. Do you like this? Okay, next up. I do like the Ford Transit Connect. It's kind of cool. The colourings of the Tiger are a little bit on the faint side. Nonetheless, does look good. What's nice about the interior of this van is that they've got two really nicely crafted seats, which you can't really see in this light. Shame the back is plastic. Okay, you might be able to hear my dog whining because he wants his food. He's just going to have to be patient. Pepper, I've nearly finished, buddy. Here we have, and this is great, this is the Diecast Veloce, a Hot Wheels design by Dima. This is so cool, kind of based on a 1970s Grand Tourer. Plenty of detail on this. Goodyear printed over the rear arches. Various other decals. Okay, next up, 1964 Nova Wagon Gasser. Here it is. It's cool. Supernova, Michelin, Hot Wheels and Chevrolet written on the side. What's nice about this is there's no rear window glass, so you can get a better view of the interior, but look at that artwork. Fantastic. And here it is. Wow. Kind of goes with the pink flowers in the background quite well. Yeah, that is super cool. Okay, penultimate one is the Glory Chaser. Another super cool Hot Wheels design, and this one is in the Gulf livery. Whenever I see a Gulf livery vehicle, it's usually a nice one to get. How cool is that? Based on a 1960s sports car. Design reminds me of the Jaguar D-Type, possibly. That is so cool. And let's open it up. Just take a look at the artwork first. Here it is. Perfect contrast to the pink flowers in the background, the baby blue. That does look fantastic. And what Hot Wheels have done with the interior is that it's a silver interior, and they've used part of the clear plastic from the windscreen to go over the silver seats, which to my mind creates a sort of brushed aluminium look. Awesome. Last but definitely not least is the Speed Machines Hot Wheels Premium. Here it is, Hot Wheels Car Culture, and this is one of 5 in the set. To my mind, this is probably the best one. Porsche 911 GT3. And if we have a look on the rear, hopefully you can see that. We've got the McLaren in orange, the Pagani Zonda R silver, as well as silver Ford GT, and the Lamborghini Veneno. And here is this beauty. So being a Hot Wheels Premium, it comes with a metal base, and I was going to say real riders, but I've got a feeling these are plastic wheels. Okay, you can't have everything, but what a paint scheme. Doesn't it look great? Wheels are super cool. And let's face it, once the car is on a surface, you don't notice that the wheels are plastic. Very nice. So guys, thanks for watching, and happy collecting. Hope you find what you're looking for and enjoy the hobby. Speak to you soon.